Welcome back to another segment of Acorns. This is an app that helps you to grow your money, whether you're investing it manually, automatically, maybe you're earning money from your card transactions, or even from roundups and earning while you shop. If you are new to this channel, I would highly recommend that you subscribe because this is where we share tips on helping gaining clarity, confidence, and cash flow in the areas of finance and real estate. And in this technology update today, I'm going to share with you how you can use the Acorns mobile app to help you grow your life. Albert Einstein once said that the eighth wonder of the world is compound interest. There's nothing like your money working for you than compound interest. Interest, making money on interest. And that in the beginning, it can seem kind of daunting or slow, and it seems like it's going to take forever to grow. But once you get it going and once you stay disciplined and committed to the cause, after a while, your money just starts compounding and growing, and it gets really exciting. So I highly recommend you do that. So in continuation to this series, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to my phone and I'm going to show you how roundups work. I'm going to show you how roundups work on your Acorns account. So here we go right into the phone, and I'm going to show you from my personal account how it works. So as you can see here on this screen, it's showing that I've invested $1,817.88 in the past 30 days. And now this is just from roundups. This isn't manual investing or auto investing. It's just from roundups. Now, as you can see here underneath that, it shows my roundups as $0 until the next $5 because it must have just transferred the deposit. So let's click and view my roundups. And now you'll see that I've made 1,966 roundups. Okay, that's a lot, and it's done that many times, and I'll show you that in detail here in just a second. If you see here, the $0 to $5 means that it probably just transferred recently. As we can see here, there was a payment to Upwork.com of $43.44 was the transaction, but I have my roundups, as you see there, the 56 cents times 10. You see that there on the right? That means that I have a 10 times multiplier on the roundup. That's why you're seeing $5.60. Where did that $5.60 go? It went to my Acorns account. It automatically got withdrawn. Next, you're seeing a payment to Epidemic Sound, $7.50. You're seeing another payment to Upwork. You're seeing Crow Founders Lab, another payment. You'll see the dates and what has been charged, right? You see the amount it's charged, the amount that the multiplier times 10, I have my multiplier on 10, and the amount that's being withdrawn. So if we go back up here and you want to see the total amount that's been invested, you swipe to the right and it'll show you the total amount invested just from roundups. So I've had $4,674.12 automatically rounded up without even thinking about it, automatically be invested through roundups, right? It's a really powerful feature. Now, the next thing is if you want to know how it works, it's right here. You can learn more by clicking, but it also says every time you use a linked card, we round the purchase up to the next whole dollar and invest that spare change into your Acorns Invest account. Okay, now if I click the little gear setting here, this is where it comes up to the roundup settings. And here's where you can change it all and you're in complete control. You can set it to automatic, which I do. You can see the green there. You can add a multiplier, which I think you should. You can make it 2 times, 3 times, or 10. I have it maxed out at 10. And then you can pick how many times you want that whole dollar roundup. So you want to choose whether 25 cents, 50 cents, 25, right? It gives you the option. I like to max it out to the nearest dollar. So that way I am really maxing out. Every time I make a purchase, I'm going 10 times and $1. Now listen, do whatever is comfortable for you in your budget. I'm a little bit more aggressive in my investing. I like to go all in full force. If you don't know me by now, I pretty much have that attitude in life, but just go all in and make that happen. Hey, you know what's really interesting? Look at my screen right now. It shows 9:41 on my phone, and look on the screen right here. It's showing 9:41. Whoa. That's kind of freaky. Wow, that's how odd is that? Okay, anyway, so that was really interesting. So you see the features here. Set to automatic, add a multiplier, 10 times the amount, and whole dollar amounts. And whenever you change it, make sure that you hit the save button if you want to. I'm not going to change anything. I just wanted to show you my settings and what they're set at. And voila, here you go. Now this will be when this starts earning money. You see that little sliding scale where it says $0 to $5 there. As it's accumulating roundups, it will increase and then it will withdraw it in $5 increments. So that's how Acorns, the roundup feature, works. I want to also let you know that Acorns has a section called Grow right within the app and on their website where you can learn more about investing, savings, and earning more money through their knowledge and database. They have great curators, great content on here, and great motivational stories of other people who have saved money, paid off debt, college loans, paid off their home mortgage early. But it really breaks down anything from borrowing, spending, and earning, and investing, and saving, all that. It's got it all tied in. So I would definitely check that out. Acorns, Grow, and check out the Acorns app. And by the way, you can click on the previous, in the link in the descriptions, you can click on other videos that I've done if you like this series. You can click on the other videos that I've done about Acorns. And if you like this video and it was helpful, give this video a like, or any questions you have, comment in the section below. And if you do sign up for Acorns through the apps, the link that I provided, I believe you get $5 and I get $5, but I really hope you get $5 and sign up. One of the things that I do is that when people sign up through our services or any of our links below, it helps go to the causes that we support over in Uganda. And if you want to know a little bit more about that, here is a video to share.
Hey guys, this is Sarah. So I was outside cleaning my truck. Yes, I still clean my truck. Lo and behold, FedEx comes, and guess what's inside? Let's see. Oh yeah.
So how many times have you called the attorneys?
At least 3 to 5.
Yeah, times per day to make sure that we got this thing done. So if you are looking for a transactional funding for any deal, he will hold your hand, he will work with you, he will work with the closing agent to get the deal done. Cannot recommend him highly enough. Thanks, Nathan. Bye.
I believe in you. Just do it. Just do it.
I am a fearless millionaire.
Now, Nathan, in addition to being a great friend of mine, Nathan is a tremendous speaker. He has great presence. He provides tremendous value. And if you're thinking about having him speak at your event, don't think anymore, just book him. He is that good. He's a great friend of mine, great guy. I know him and love him to death. And if you want to add value to your seminar attendees, then book Nathan Amaral. You'll be glad you did.
I know what this is because it's free. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to do. I'm excited. Hey, let's make this deposit.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard. Once you have located your seat, we ask that you please step out of the aisle. Other passengers behind you can pass you. This will expedite our boarding process.